Hi, and welcome to another IONTOF tutorial on SurfaceLab 7. My name is Matthias. Today, I would like to introduce you to the improved file handling using the Microsoft Windows 10 Explorer, which we have introduced with SurfaceLab 7. This feature will display specific information in the preview pane of the Microsoft Explorer. SurfaceLab will also be able to generate specific columns in the Microsoft Windows Explorer. You can use the filter functions in the columns of the Microsoft Windows Explorer. The new feature will also allow you to use the Microsoft search function to search for SurfaceLab specific properties. Okay, before I show you how to set it up in your Windows Explorer, let me show you what you can get out of it. It is very important that first of all here in the View tab you activate the Preview pane, because in the Preview pane we will display all the metadata that is associated to your measurement files. And if you now click on an IONTOF measurement file, you will get the metadata information that you have added, as well as some metadata information from the respective measurements displayed here in the Preview pane, which makes it quite easy to navigate through your data. Okay, so let me show you how to set your Windows Explorer up in a way that you can utilize this feature. First of all, you might want to browse to a folder on your hard disk that contains measurement files. And then what you want to do is you want to right-click the top column here, giving you the possibility to add or delete certain properties which will be displayed in these columns. And you're going to click on More here. Once you click on More, you get a list of all those properties that could theoretically be displayed for all these files. And some of them will come from SurfaceLab. These can be identified by the brackets saying SurfaceLab behind that, which makes it quite easy to use. So if you now want to add such a column to your Microsoft Windows Explorer display, you just click those ticks here. And let's search for some others. There is sample name and sample ID, or sputter species or sputter energy. Once you have selected them, you can click OK, and then they will show up here as expected. And then you can, if you like, sort them in a way that makes sense for you, for example, by putting the sample name in front. Once you have activated those columns which are of interest for you, you can use those columns for filtering purposes as well. For example, you can activate the drop-down menu here at the sputter species column and activate the argon clusters so that only those measurements where the argon cluster gun was active during the acquisition will show up. The same works for the sample description as well, for example. I hope this tutorial helps you in your daily work. Please make sure to go through our other tutorials on SurfaceLab 7. Also make sure to have a look into our help files. These are frequently updated and can be installed from the download area. Visit our website at www.iontof.com for other frequent updates. My name is Matthias from the IONTOF Sales Department. Thank you for watching.